Guys, we are on the Ghat of Banaras, as you know, city of culture, city of heritage, everything is here. It's a very classic city and a very classic example. It's a city of Lord Shiva. So as you can see, this is Rajendra Prasad Ghat, and combined there is a two ghat. One is Man Mahal Ghat, second one is Rajendra Prasad Ghat. So as you can see, the crowd, the audience and the boats. What's a beautiful, what's a nice view it is. Just great. Here as you can see, the boats and the boats and the boats only. So we are at the very nearest point to the Kashi Vishwanath temple, and let's see what we can do here. This is a kind of selfie point where we can click selfies and click photos, and that part which you see, that ladder, that directly goes to the Kashi Vishwanath temple, where you can go and complete your darshan. And that ghat which you are seeing as a fire, that is a Manikarnika Ghat. So let's go to that, and after that I will show you everything. So we are nearest point to Manikarnika Ghat, and this is the view, guys. This is Manikarnika Ghat, a burning ghat, and this is the ghat through which we can see the nearest, which is the nearest point to Kashi Vishwanath temple. This is the entering gate for Kashi Vishwanath temple, as you can see, and this is the Manikarnika Ghat, where this body is being burned, and this is the ghat where we can go for the boating and all. We are at the footstep of Kashi Vishwanath temple, which you can see. We are on the stairs of the Kashi Vishwanath temple, and we are going to, we do not go inside the premises of Kashi Vishwanath temple. Just from the outside we take darshan, and after that we go to Manikarnika Ghat. So this is the thing which we can do here. Guys, we are at the gate number 1 of Kashi Vishwanath temple, and from here this is the only exit gate of for the persons. So here we are at the gate number 1 of the Kashi Vishwanath temple, and this is the way to mandir or temple, we can say, and this is the exit gate where the worshippers worship their god, and after that when they came out after the worship, then they will came out from here. So this is the exit gate where worshippers, and that temple which you are seeing, golden color temple, that is Kashi Vishwanath temple, और इसको बोलते हैं शिखर, मंदिर का शिखर. अगर आप मंदिर का शिखर देख रहे हैं तो ये बहुत शुभ होता है. आपके कोई भी बिगड़े हुए काम मंदिर के शिखर देख के ही पूरे हो जाते हैं, ऐसा माना जाता है काशी में. So guys, this is what I am trying to show you. This is the vibe of Manikarnika Ghat, which is also known as the burning ghat in Varanasi. So as you can see, this is the kind of Manikarnika Ghat where we are, and this all wooden logs which you are seeing here, this all wooden logs used for cremation. for the body. So here we can see this is the ghat. So guys, as you can see, it is written here Manikarnika Ghat, which is also known as the Burning Ghat. This is the very famous temple, Charan Paduka Mandir of Varanasi. And now we are on to the Sindhya Ghat. So this is a Manikarnika Ghat, guys, as you can see. Manikarnika Ghat, guys. No words. So guys, this is a Dasashwamedh Ghat which you are seeing here. This is a very famous ghat for the Aarti, and every person will join Aarti at 6:30 p.m. in Varanasi here. So as you can see, crowds are being here. Fantastic crowd, fantastic people, all are doing Aarti at the same time. So this is a very, you can say, very beautiful and very our cultural heritage here, which we are getting and which we are seeing at this moment. So yeah, as you can see, there are many people which see Aarti from the boats. The boat owner will take 100 rupees only to lift you on board, and by boat, from boat you can see Aarti here of Dasashwamedh Ghat. So this is the total view. This is the Vishwanath Gali. From here you can enter on Vishwanath temple, and lines, you can see lines which directly goes to the temple. This is a Vishwanath